Does your wall look too thin in Revit, even after changing the wall type? Don't worry, it's not a Revit bug. I will show you how to correctly increase wall thickness in Revit and fix it using visibility graphics. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official, tap the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Let me quickly show you how to resolve this. Open the view, press VG on your keyboard, VG. Scroll down to walls. Here we have the walls. Under the patterns, click right here. Click this arrow, change it to brickwork. Click OK. Then under the lines, click on it. The weight, click down here. You can change it to 6 or 7. Click OK. Apply. OK. That is just it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Drop a comment if you are having any Revit issues you want me to fix next. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.